how to fix the iCloud storage full problem. So if I go and open up my settings and I click on my profile name and then I click on iCloud, you can see at the moment my iCloud is completely full. Now you have two options. Obviously you can upgrade to a higher iCloud plan. So you can go and click on the upgrade button and you can just select a plan with more data space available. Now if you don't want to do this or you don't want to spend the money on extra space, then what we can do is come back over to the previous window and you'll see a section that says recommended for you. So we're going to click on this and then scroll down to free up storage, and then you're going to get some cleanup storage recommendations. So I'd recommend starting with these before you do anything else. So most of my storage is being taken by my photos and videos. So I'm just going to press get started here. And then you can see all of the different locations that are taking up the most amount of storage space. So what you can do is click on any of these sections. You can then click on select over in the top right hand side. You can select the files you want to delete on your phone and then click on the trash icon and then you can just press delete. Now another thing you can do is come back over to the previous window. You can then scroll down to see all and click on this. Click on iCloud photos, and if you scroll down, make sure optimize iPhone storage is turned on. Now this will help with storage space, and then we can come back over to the previous window. You can then click on the iCloud drive and click on manage storage. Now scroll down and click on review files, and here's all the files that are saved on your iCloud drive. Now once again you can go and delete any of this data. So if you click the three horizontal dots, you can click on select. You can then select the files you want to delete and just click on the trash icon. Now the final thing you can do to free up storage space without upgrading your plan is if you come back over to your iCloud settings page, you can scroll down to the iCloud backup, and then if you scroll down you'll see all of your devices backups. Now these typically take a lot of storage space. So if you don't mind having no backup on your phone, you can always go and click on this option and you can just scroll down and click on turn off and delete from iCloud. Now obviously this will delete all of your backed up data, but this is a good way to save storage space on your iPhone.